Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. So yes guys, I know that it has been a while since I posted a video, and I want to say to all my viewers, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I hope that all your dreams come true. And I also wishing you a prosperous new year, filled with joy, all your goals that you choose to endeavor on for the new year is achieved. So yes guys, as you know, I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed, who watched my videos so far. I just want to say thank you. And as you guys know, it's the Christmas season, right? And today I'm going to be making sorrel, my sorrel drink, and I'm going to show you guys how I make my sorrel drink in Jamaica. So yes guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post that video. Yes guys, also I want you guys to share the video to family and friends. Share up the video to everybody. Yes guys, yes guys, the first thing you're going to do is get your cinnamon stick and some ginger, right? So in this pot we have some ginger and cinnamon stick in water that we're going to put to boil. So yes guys, the first step in making your sorrel drink for Christmas the right way, get your cinnamon stick and pounded ginger. So you can either grate the ginger or pound the ginger and put it in some water, right? And then we're going to put it to the first step you're gonna do is wash your sorrel, guys. Make sure your sorrel clean, break it apart into two and place it in your in in a bottle, right? Any bottle at all that has a cover can be used to make to break your sorrel and put it in. So guys, I'm showing you a better way to get the, I feel like in this way, in making your sorrel, you get the full nutrients of the sorrel, right? So you know some other people make sorrel and when you look they have like about 5% sorrel. When you do it like this, you get the 100% sorrel strength of the sorrel. We're gonna break the sorrel. If you don't want to break it, you don't have to break it, but I choose to break it because I feel like it's open. So you guys, break the sorrel, put it in, and remember to subscribe, guys. If you are not subscribed, follow up Fanika TV and just do the do. Let's break up the cereal. So why me tell you to wash it? That's the cereal. Not all different type of trash. A lot of trash. If you don't want to break it, because it takes a lot of time to break it, takes a lot of time. So yeah guys, the water is boiled and ready, and this is what I'm going to be doing with it, right? I'm gonna take it off. Guys, we put all of it. So yeah guys, we put all of the sorrel in the bottle now, and I'm going to show you. So stay tuned guys and see what I do with. So yeah guys, the water is well boiled. The ginger and the cinnamon stick cook and everything, and this is what we're going to do next guys. So yeah guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're going to add our hot water and our ginger and our cinnamon stick to the sorrel, right? guys, be very careful when you're doing this, because the water has, as you take out the water off of the fire, you have to do this. So you add it, right? It and the ginger, everybody, to the pot, right? So yeah, guys, this is how you get your 100% your 100% use the of the of your woo, of your sorrel, right? This is how you get the full 100% sorrel everything. And guys, this can be, after you make it that like this, you can have it for at least 21 days, and it can turn into wine. A lot of people don't know that you don't really have to put alcohol in your sorrel. So this is a cinnamon stick. Drop it in there as well. Make sure the rest of the water in this. There, guys. I'll place it. So yeah. So yeah, guys. And this is all. I mean, as you can see, you already see the color of it changing. As you can see, and it also smells like sorrel. So yes, guys, this is how you get your 100% sorrel drink. No, and then you can just